Hey, 7th graders, this is Miss Wetland here. I'm sorry I am gone again another day, but today I am with some students at a Math Counts competition at St. Cloud State. Today you're going to continue to work more on your solving of equations. I'm going to help get you started right now and kind of review the expectations. And if you can do a quality job on the work, scan and attach it, and I hear good remarks from the sub, then tomorrow we'll have some fun with solving equations by playing Matho. So what you need out is a piece of loose leaf. Then you need to go into Google Classroom and open up the Sheets activity for today. It is the Solving Equations Review. What you're going to do on your piece of loose leaf is start with the first problem. So I have it open right here, and I'm going to write down the original problem. So I'm going to number it nicely. I am on problem 1, and the problem is 3m plus 5 equals 14. Then you're going to show your steps to get the variable alone. So the opposite of adding 5 is to subtract 5. So now those cancel each other out, and you've got 3m equals 9. When a variable is next to the number, that means to multiply. The opposite of multiplying is to divide. Those are reduced down to 1, so we get m equals 3. And then I'm going to have you also write out your check for that. So remember to do the check. We take this original problem here, 3 times m plus 5. But in place of the m, you're going to put the 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 5. I'll check that in my calculator. And if I get 14, I know I'm correct. Then, just to verify, you go over to the spreadsheet, and in the spreadsheet, you're going to just only this time type the answer, which in this case we said was 3. And if it's correct, it will show up green. If it is not correct, it will not turn green for you. But again, you're only putting the number in this time. All right? Let's try one more together as a review. So now on my piece of loose leaf, I'm going to do number 2. I'm going to skip a line, give myself some space, and now I'm going to write out number 2, which is negative 3y plus 5 equals 8. The opposite of adding 5 is to subtract. So now I have this left over, which is negative 3y equals 3 when I subtract the 8 minus 5. Then the opposite of multiplying is to divide by a negative 3. And I want to divide by a negative because this negative divided by a negative is going to give me a positive y equals a negative 1. Then I'll write out my check and put it in my calculator to verify. So it'd be negative 3 times y, which in this case we believe is negative 1, plus 5. And if I get 8, I know I'm correct, and I should be able to type it in here as well. Did I have it? Oh, not 8. Nope, my number that I came up with was not 8. That was the final answer. The value of x was a negative 1. There we go. When you are done, you're going to scan and attach this piece of loose leaf into Google Classroom, and I will review those tonight. And if I see that people did a quality job, got the work done, again, it's not about getting the green here. It's about the work and the process that goes with solving equations. Then we will play some Matho or Bingo tomorrow. Help each other out. You did a great job being teachers to one another yesterday. Use each other with resources if you have some questions. All right? And then be sure to leave me a reflection at the end of the day. Have a great day.